Well, hello everybody, I'm LA and this is today's short take. The last couple of days I've been looking at stocks from around the world instead of just US stocks. And today let's look at Australia. I mean, if you look at Australia, the index itself, nice big spike up. Of course, this coincides with QE in Europe and the run up around the world. These prices have gone significantly higher. The Australian market is up probably 12-15%, depending on what you're looking at. The index itself about that same amount. So spike up, it's going to consolidate up here. If you look at it on the, let's look at it on the weekly, you can see the significant, straight up move that took place. Well, if you see that kind of move here, you can bet that you're going to see that sort of move in the individual stocks. And so if we look at just like one of those, AMM Telecommunications, again, big spike up, volume rises. Now you're fading back into that volume. That's a retest of a breakout area. The breakout is just below here. You can see where the support zones are. It's trading right back into the highest of the two, trying to come back into the next one. This is an area, if one wanted to pick it up, this would be the area to consider, this price point a buy, because you can put your stops up underneath, right, the gap area. You're not risking a lot and you're shooting for these highs again. So, when I look at a stock like this and I see this type of action, it tells me there's opportunity. And it's not just in this one telecommunications company, it's in many. You can see it here on the weekly, big spike up, consolidate, big spike up, consolidate. That price point, 253, below 256, you can see it's coming back into where it probably will get bought. And finally, looking on the monthly, this is probably consolidation on a monthly time frame. Just like you had the consolidation here, spike up, consolidation, spike up, probably consolidation up here somewhere, and some higher prices maybe to come down the road. So AMM Telecommunications, Australian market, strong. It's around the world, folks. It's not just here, it's everywhere. And that is today's short take.